Da-da-da-da! The royal messenger has arrived. Wow!
Whoa! Let me see!
Royal Highness, the prince is looking for a bride.
Ha 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 ha! Shh! Shut it!
You are all invited to his ball.
Her? Really?
Silence! See you there.
Bye!
Ugh, loser. You don't deserve this!
Why?
Don't you have work to do? Ha! Chop chop!
I hate my life.
Huh?
Wait! No! I take it back! I love my life! Somebody help! Ah! Where am I going? Whoa! Ouch! Phew! At least I'm still alive. Where am I? Wow! What is this place? Such a cool room! Me? Not so cool. I don't like what I'm seeing. Ew! Girl! Yo ugly! Fix that! But I don't know how. Oh, man. Huh? I wonder what this is. Maybe a treasure chest some pirates left? Nope. Oh, hey! Maybe your likes will help. Yeah! I think it's working! We got this! Almost there! Yay! You did it! Let's see what we'll find in this safe. Open sesame! Wow! A sweet treat! Wait a second. I can actually use this candy for a better cause. Heh! My makeover officially begins! Nicely melted and warm. This might hurt a bit, but I am ready. Phew! Be gone! Ah! Ugh. More painful than I imagined. That is so much hair! But looks so smooth! Can't say the same thing about the rest of my face. Yikes! Ugh! I can never get rid of my pimples! Whoa! Ouch! My head. Huh? Was this here before? Anyway, do you think it has a pearl inside? No pearls. But maybe these will help. No harm in trying. Now we wait. Hey! In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe! Mwah! Sending you love! Ha! Look! These worked like magic! Aww! Mwah! Mwah! Ugh! Ha! Wait! Am I the problem? Nope. Then why is it so stinky in here? Ugh! I gotta find the source. I'm determined. Not here. Aha! Blah! Disgusting! These must be expired! To the trash! Oh, my stomach is basically screaming for food. Maybe one? Hope I don't get food poisoned. Not too bad. Huh? I wonder what this opens. Could it really be the key to that treasure chest? I gotta solve this mystery! There must be a lot of fancy jewelry in there. Diving in! I'm inside the water, under the water! Haha! Hello, fishy! Don't mind me! Wow, that was fun! Time to open it! Hope it's the correct key. Yay! It is! Wow! Jackpot! I mean, makeup-wise. Haha! Any shape of eyeliner is possible when you wish upon a starfish! Wow! Looking good! Oh, I need some color on my lips. Yikes! I really suck at this. Ugh. Maybe I can practice on her! My shade choice is so much better anyway. Yep! Confirmed! Mwah! Wow! I can't believe that hack really worked! Whoa! I have a visitor? Hello, squid friend! Ha! I see it, I like it, I want it! But platinum blonde just won't cut it for me. Being a mermaid means having a bright and colorful style. And the hair also needs to reflect that. Perfect! Let's do this!
Ha! Who do you think you are, stealing my hair?
Ah! Let go of I guess. Ugh, I thought I was ready. Can't go to a ball in these old clothes. Ah! What was that about? Whoa! Turns out the jellyfish was helping me! I feel so pretty for the first time in my life!
Huh?
Aw, thanks, buddy! So thoughtful! Yep, keeping hydrated is important! I know what to do. There are more than enough pearls in here for my project! This requires patience. One peel after another. Almost done! There! Isn't this the most beautiful ocean necklace you've seen? Even Ariel would be jealous if she saw my jewelry. And here's the real showstopper. The outfit feels incomplete, but not for long. This is the finishing touch. It's giving ocean couture now. I'm so ready for the ball! The prince's jaw will drop when he sees me. Now, be graceful.
Huh?
When will I find my soulmate?
Don't worry, my prince. You'll find me soon enough.
Hello there.
He loves me.
Join me. Huh? Ah!
Phew! Great catch, Your Highness.
You?
Hey!
Turns out, I've been waiting for you to fall into my arms my entire life.
Kiss me.
What's happening right now?
Oh, I forgot about these two.
Oops. Sorry.
You never need to apologize to me.
Will you marry?
I can't. My heart belongs to you. Will you marry me?
Yes! 1,000 times yes!
Ah!
Ah! Ah! Where am I? Huh? A vampire!
Oh, a guest. Want some cranberry juice?
Oh, he's pretty cute. Wanna take a bite? It's more fresh.
Ew! No mermaids allowed!
What? No way!
Yes way! It's a vampire-only zone. Ciao!
Unbelievable. Everything about me screams mermaid. Oh, what am I gonna do? I like him so much. What the? Did I sit on something? A vampire makeover checklist? This seems reasonable. I need pale skin. Mine's pretty scaly. Not giving vampire at all. Let's pick the right shade. This one. Gotta do a shade match first. Looks great to me. Now, we get to my favorite part. Smash! Hiya! This is why you never see any stressed mermaids. All our frustrations go here. It's done. Time to put on our foundation. I'll just tilt my head back and let it snow. Then I'll wait for it to do its magic. Pale skin suits me well.
Wow.
Don't you think? Cheer up, why won't you? Here, I'll give you a kiss. Yay! Next up, fangs! My teeth are pretty dull. They need to be sharp. Speaking of sharp, these shells are perfect. All I gotta do is put them on. How do I look? I feel like it's giving walrus. Whatever. What now? Oh! Oh, all shells too! I can't use this! Under here? Nope. I have no choice. Gotta dig through the trash. A snack! No, focus! Ah! You bit me! Get off! Ah! That hurt! These are pretty sharp teeth for a fish. They're my teeth now. Wow, they fit perfectly. Now we have the same smile. Oh, thank you. Uh-oh. Now I need cool hair. I sure do. And I know. I'll dye my hair. Let's do it. Huh? It's empty. Yummy. I made a mess. I have an idea. I'll squeeze the color out of this tomato. Then I'll color my hair with it. That should be enough to color my hair. First, I'll give it a mix. No reason, just vibes. Now let's dye it for real. Let's make this pink more vibrant. Wow, it's looking cool already. All done. I love it. I feel like a vampire already. I'm coming for you soon, my love. Wait a minute. Oh. What a mess. Why didn't put it in the trash? Something's missing. Makeup. Let's go through my makeup box. What is this? It's not makeup. I'm due for a snack anyway. Dark chocolate. My favorite. Huh? It left a stain. What happens if I do this? It's on my skin. If it works on my hand, it will work on my eye. It's so pigmented. Wow, eyeshadow done. My lips are looking kind of pale. I know what to do. But this time, we're doing it with flowers. I'll crush the color out of it. This is way easier than the hair dye. Wow, it's so red. Let's try it on. I'll just use my fingers. It's so pretty. Oh dear. It's giving Countess Dracula vibes. But first, let's finish this list. No tail. Did I read this right? That's impossible. I know. I've got a manual for it somewhere. Got it. Ew. I'll make a potion for legs. It's a long list. But I can do it. Yay! All right, let's start. First, I'll gather all the spooky ingredients. Then I'll put them all in a pot. What's the ingredients list, you say? All sorts of creepy crawlers, of course. Including the creepiest of them all. Then I'm gonna add magic crystals. That will give us the feet. Add in some monster goo to combine it all together. And now we mix. It's all coming together. It's done. Goodbye, mermaid tail. You served me well. Now, where's my feet? Any second now. I can feel it. Give me my feet. Come on. I can feel it coming. Wow. I finally have feet. They're pretty hairy, though. And it's itchy. Ew. Yay! I can walk. Ouch! That will take some getting used to. My legs are finally silky smooth. I'm ready. No, wait. My outfit is totally off topic. And the blue doesn't help. I need to change. Makeup? I need outfits. Woo! But I can't wear these. It's not vampire core. Ugh! Why are there so many obstacles? This blanket looks like a cape. It works. Yes! I just have to style it. The cape was good, but it was too medieval. I'll give it a modern twist. All done. Let's clean it up a bit. I feel like Morticia Adams. Roar! Whoa! I'm okay. For the last step, I'm gonna accessorize. Spooky! I'm ready. Wait! Now that I'm a vampire, I can turn into a bat. Whoa! Wrong animal! I said bat, not fish! Whew! Okay, I made it! Hey, hello.
Whoa! Nice.
You think so? Wanna go on a date?
Sure. Wow!
Huh? What?
Wow! It's the new Vampire Cape 3000, but it's very expensive. I need to buy it. But I only have this. No way.
I want to buy it for him. I've got the answer. They're hiring vampire doctors. I'm the girl for the job.
Yay!
The doctor is in. Bye-bye.
Bye.